Hello, this is my final oral English B2. My name is Marcela Estrada. I am a student of the Master's degree in Communicator in the Bucaramanga SEAT. I am social communicator and teacher. To start the exhibition, Sight is an American science fiction short film about augmented reality and how this new technology tells us what to do and how to do it. The central theme of the short is how to get to know a person through the use of technology and build a relationship with them. In the end, the protagonist of the short, Patrick, uses this technology to manipulate people and get what he wants with his girlfriend Daphne. I choose it because the theme of technology is a current theme that must be reflected and debated. I will now like to answer the following question. Would you like to have signs? For certain things, I would like to, but for all those shown in the short film, not really. The humanism of social relation is lost. Second question. What would you use sight for? I will use sight to travel the world without having to move from home and spend money, to know all the continents and the form of life that exists around the world. How could sight be misused? In my opinion, sight can be abused by observing in such detail everything that exists in the world without leaving anything to expectation, to the unknown, losing the mystery that guides that touch to life. Do you think a device like sight is possible in the future? I think it is possible to have a device like sight in the future because there are already augmented reality programs that approach this device in facial recognition, interactive travel, and other aspects of people's social and work lives. How could use sight change people's lives? It will change in the sense that I will no longer make room for imagination and life will lose that magic that make it unique because everything will already be seen, beautiful, and king of limitations. Life will be boring that way. This is a field that makes us think about what kind of world we want to live in the next few years and what kind of place we will guide to technology in our lives, each of us decides. Thank you for your attention.